Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn some important UI customization in Salesforce. In last video, we already discussed how we can add related lists for an page layout. So in this video, we are going to extend the topic and adding the custom tabs for the related list and how we can configure horizontal navigation to the that related list. For example, in here I have a lead object. So if I click on any one of the record, in here you can see activity, details, chatter. So this is horizontal arrangement. All the related list values we can able to arrange this navigation because for example, in account record, I have a detail page. In here, I have a related. So if I click on related, here I can see contacts, opportunities, receipts, cases, partners, and invoice. All the things are placed in related list, but I want this easy navigation. So I need to add that all the things in this navigation menu. So in this record navigation page. So for this, we need to create custom tabs. So then we need to arrange the things in horizontal way. These are the common tasks for Salesforce admin and frequently requesting by business user. So the thing is, I need to add that related list tabs in here. So how we can add? So what I will do, I will simply go to the tab and click on duplicate. So make it duplicate. So once you duplicate, just go to gear icon, click on edit page. So once you click on edit page, automatically the page will be navigate to Lightning App Builder. Okay. So in this, what we need to do, we need to add the navigation menu, right? So that's why you simply click on this page. So once you click on this page, in here you can see there is an option like add tabs. So I will simply click on add tab. What happened? Again, one more detail page is comes, but I don't want this detail page. So I need to customize this page. How we can customize? If you click on that button, automatically it will show the tab label. So if you click on that, go to top. So in here we can see there is a custom. So if you click on custom, automatically we can able to enter the label name. So what is the label name? So what I will do, I will simply enter like contact. So I enter, then I will click on done. So once I click on contact, automatically that page will be come to here. So once this page is come, so in here we need to drag that particular related list in here. So how we can search that? So in the left side search bar, you need to search like related. In here we have something like related list single. So we need to store only the single related list. So that's why what I will do, I will simply drag into the contact related list tab. So once you drag, so it will currently showing activity history. So, but I don't want to show the activity history. I need to show the contact details. So how we can do? So in here, there is an option like related list. So if you simply click on that, remove that thing and search contact. So then automatically all the contact will be come here. So then I need to add one more tab. So that is receipt. Contact is a standard related list. So I need to add one more custom receipt related list in here. So how we can add? Same. You need to click on that page. In here, click on add a tab. So once you add, automatically details tab will become, but I don't want to detail. So I will simply click on this one. And in tab label, I will click on go to top. I will select custom. So once you select custom, we need to enter the custom label. Again, I will enter like receipt, receipts. Okay. So once you enter, simply click on done. So once you click on done, automatically the tab will be the related tab will be come to here. So then again, I need to add one more related list is a single. So I will click on, I will drag and drop to the receipt related list tab. So then right side related list, I will simply search like receipt. So once I click on receipt, automatically receipt record will be visible in here. Okay. Same like whatever the related list you need to add the in horizontal tab, you can add. Same procedure you follow. So then click on save. So once you save, again go back to your account record page. What you do? Simply refresh. I will make it as hard refresh once. So in here you can see, I can see the all the related list, whatever I added single related list that I can see in horizontal way. So in related list also it will present contact, opportunities, receipts, cases, everything present. Instead of navigator related list, again come back to the receipt. You can directly fetch from that receipt record in here. So this is very useful, right? And also very much time saving. So this is the proper navigation. So without proper navigation, user want time searching for the objects or the related list. Good navigation improves the productivity. So yeah, today we learned how to add related list, how to create custom tabs for related list, how to configure horizontal navigation. These are the some most common Salesforce UI customization that every admin should know. So once you understand these concepts, you will be able to create much cleaner, more user-friendly Salesforce application. So I hope you understand these things. If you found this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.